This fountain features rubber foot pads for stability. Gather the pump and wiring from inside the fountain. Next is the silicone tubing that will be attached directly to the pump. Check the flow control dial on the front and make sure it's set to full strength. Place the pump back into the very bottom of the basin. Make sure there's no bends, kinks, or obstructions to the tubing. Unfurl the remaining power cord and attach it to the single pin transformer. Gather the light cord connector, the power cord, and insert it into the access door and seal the back of the unit. On top you'll find the small filter and rainfall holes that need to be kept clean, and the sliding door finishes the assembly. Check that the LED light is in place, no obstructions to the flow, and you're ready to plug in. Using small decorative rocks will alter the sound to your desired effect.